I feel very confident about being able to use the tools I've learned here, and if anything comes up, which I don't even expect anything else to be an issue, that I could work on it myself from home. So I'm really happy about that. I was diagnosed with ulcerative colitis when I was 10, and for 12 years I was on and off of all different medications, hospitalized sometimes. It just got to a point where I had to get my colon removed because I was not responsive to any medication at that point. So I felt great right after surgery for, probably a couple of weeks. And then I started having some pain, and I wasn't sure what it was. We thought maybe it was Pouchitis, which is inflammation that you can get in the pouch, which causes the same symptoms as ulcerative colitis. And I was on some antibiotics for a while, and then probably 2 or 3 weeks after that, I was in excruciating pain, and it was a complete total blockage. That went on for several years, and I was just constantly looking I finally learned, I don't remember where, that it was adhesions. And I would go on the internet and try to look for help for adhesions, and I found Clear Passage, and we started checking into it, and I came here.
We came down and everything fell into place, and after she explored it, we both had peace about it, that it was, the key was to heal something without surgery, because obviously that's what causes the adhesions in the first place. So we were interested in checking you guys out.
When I first got here, I remember that everything was pulling, and I didn't want to stand up straight. It felt like everything in my stomach was pulling, and my stomach was very hard. After the first couple sessions, it kind of felt like a belt was taken off around my stomach, like I could breathe again. I don't know how to describe it, except it was a really feeling. It just felt good.
After we visited Clear Passage, the amount of times that I had to work on Joy, or that she would complain, dramatically decreased. And that was the most noticeable change for me. She felt like when you got the work that you guys did, the 20 hours that you did on her throughout that week, really freed things up. We learned a lot about adhesions. It was very, very educational. As far as just the descriptions that you guys use, it's extremely helpful. Adhesion being like a rubber band and like a little ball, and how they would break up and what the whole goal was. That was very helpful, but that was the main thing that I noticed, is we didn't have to work on Joy's stomach after Clear Passage therapy, hardly ever.
I feel very confident about being able to use the tools I've learned here, and if anything comes up, which I don't even expect anything else to be an issue, that I could work on it myself from home. So I'm really happy about that.